Speek AI has just been released, and it's already making waves in the AI space. If you're looking to streamline your business processes, automate tasks, or just level up your AI game, you'll want to stick around for this review. I'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about Speek AI and why it might just be the tool you've been waiting for. And by the way, you can try this software for free from the link below, so make sure to check it out for yourself. Let's start with the core functionality. Speek AI is designed to take your spoken words and transform them into actionable data. Whether you're looking to transcribe meetings, generate automated responses, or even analyze customer feedback, this software can do it all. The voice recognition is incredibly accurate, and what's impressive is how quickly it processes information, making it perfect for businesses that need real-time solutions. One of the standouts of Speek AI is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms. Whether you're working with CRM systems, project management tools, or even social media platforms, Speek AI allows for easy integration, saving you time and effort. It doesn't just work in a vacuum, it plugs right into your existing tech stack, which is a huge plus for businesses trying to scale without completely overhauling their systems. Next up is the ease of use. For something that packs so much power, Speek AI is surprisingly intuitive. Whether you're a tech pro or someone just starting with AI, the interface is user-friendly and doesn't require a steep learning curve. The onboarding process is smooth, with clear instructions to help you get up and running in no time. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you don't have to worry about installing anything on your computer. Just log in and start using it. Another feature worth mentioning is Speek AI's data security. With businesses increasingly concerned about their data privacy, Speek AI offers robust encryption and compliance with industry standards, ensuring that your sensitive information stays protected. This is a huge deal, especially for companies handling customer data or financial information. Now, let's talk about customization. Speek AI allows you to tailor its features to fit your specific needs. Whether it's adjusting voice commands, customizing workflows, or integrating it with other tools in a way that works best for your business, this software offers a high level of flexibility. This makes it suitable for a wide range of industries, from e-commerce to corporate environments. In terms of pricing, Speek AI comes with a competitive plan that fits businesses of various sizes. The fact that you can try it completely free via the link below means you can explore the software and see if it's the right fit without any upfront investment. After thousands of AI tools tested, I've seen some expensive options that don't perform as well as Speek AI, so the fact that they offer a free trial is a huge selling point. Finally, I want to mention customer support. Speek AI provides 24/7 customer service, which is critical when using software that becomes integral to your daily operations. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or just have a question about how to use a specific feature, you can count on fast, knowledgeable support to get you the answers you need. So, what's the verdict on Speek AI? This software has a lot to offer, especially for those looking to streamline their workflow and enhance their digital marketing efforts. From accurate voice recognition to seamless integrations and a strong security framework, Speek AI is a game changer in the world of AI tools. I highly recommend giving it a try. And remember, you can access the free trial using the first link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, Speek AI definitely stands out in terms of value and versatility. Before you go, don't forget to check out the other AI tools I've recommended in the description below, all of which can help you grow your business and stay ahead of the competition.